Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I'm super excited to be unboxing my very first Sennheiser headphones. So I've done an unboxing of the earbuds, which is up there, which is quite interesting and disappointing at the same time. Please do check my channel out and check that unboxing out as to why it is like that. But let's get this headphones unboxing underway. So straight off with Sennheiser, I feel like with their boxes there's a bit too much information for my liking. I like it like this, a bit Apple like, you know. Look at this. This is Bang & Olufsen's BeoPlay EX. How simplistic is that? So a bit too much information for me is just all around. I know what I'm purchasing, you know. I don't need you to tell me outside of the box what features this has and what I should expect. So in my experience, a bit too much. Okay, so that's been opened up. Let's give this is my very first time, very excited, opening it up. Nothing much to see there. Okay, that's a box. Okay, that's what I like to see. Inside is very nice. So there's no flashing doors and 10 booklets and things like that. So this is what I would like to see. It's just a box covering it, and that's about it. Okay, so that's the case. All right, beautiful, nice. Don't mind it. A bit bulky, a bit big. So this is the MX5. So it's got the same sort of footprint and shape to it, but the MX5 is more of a very luxurious kind of headphones. These are the Bose Quiet Comfort, so it's a bit big on the big side, the Sennheisers. All right, it's got this little hook here, so you can hook it onto things. The zip is a bit difficult to operate. It's catching a bit, so that's not a good sign. On the way back, yeah, there's it's catching on something, which is not good. Okay, so I don't know what that is. All right, so unfortunately it does have a lot of paperwork in here, which is not so nice to see. So as soon as you take it on, it powers on. Or do you power it on? I think you must power it on, and then you connect it to the app, and we'll do that in a second. And you've got some booklet here with it as well. Do not eat this. Okay, it's still getting an airplane adapter, which is nice to see. Bose has stopped doing that with the new QC and the Ultras on my right. Okay, that's good to see. There's no paper getting around it. It's nice little band that can hold it there. So this is a bit disappointing to see. So Sennheiser does what Bose do. So it's 3.5 to 2.5 jack, which means that you can't use just normal 3.5 to 3.5 like the rest of the industry does. It's got a USB-C to USB charger. Okay, so USB to USB-C charger, which is, I don't know how I feel about those. I like to see USB-C to USB-C rather than USB-C, because you might as well go the whole way. So these are the headphones, very different. These remind me, the cloth on the band reminds me, and it's nice feels, and the gray color and everything, the texture, it reminds me of the JBLs, the Jabras. They have the same sort of feel to it, and this is, I believe, silicon. Okay, the underneath is silicon, plastic everywhere else. That slides out a bit too easily for my liking. I like a bit of resistance. Okay, everything looks good. Has a bit of a leather shape and slanted on an angle. The speakers are on an angle, which is fantastic to see. All right, so it's already turning on even though I haven't turned it on. All right, which is weird. I don't have the off and on button, which is here, I believe. It would be nice if they told me where it was. Okay, let's get this off. All right, what's going on here? There's a bit of resistance. Okay, these do come off fine. They're not like they're going to be stuck on here. They've done a good job in not having plastic, but then they put these things on, and waste paper and things like that. That was good, but in the end they did. So that's it. This feels soft and comfortable, but at the same time it feels a bit cheap as well. It's hard to describe it. Let's try and set this up now. So I have my phone there. This is very nice, by the way. These are rubber on here. The writings are rubber, if you can see. It's rubber, and this is very soft cloth as well. Inside it's very nice. Okay, add product. Let's see, headphones, searching, Momentum 4. Okay, a lot easier if you see my other video where I was trying to pair the other headphones. Okay, that's not good. All right, try the following: switch off and on again, restart the app. All right, fantastic. So we're connected. That's good. Maybe later try out some Momentum 4s in 3 minutes. Some features maybe later. So yeah, that's not bad. It's got an equalizer, edit. That's not too shabby. That's nice to see. Sound zone, adaptive, noise cancellation complete, auto, just max, phone calls. Let's leave that on auto. This is the first time I'm playing with the app, so you guys are seeing me play with it first time. Okay, your experience. That's it. Okay, not too bad. Discover. What's discover? Okay, they want to sell some other things to us. Okay, hi. Restart headphones. Okay, for it to work. Firmware is up to date, which is good to see. This is the thing I've noticed with these guys. They, from what I've heard, is they are quite good with the updates. Auto turn off, smart pause. Nice little features, yeah. All right, excited to get a review out for you guys. Let me know what you think about it, and let me know what you guys would like me to compare this against. Thank you for watching it to the end. Take good care. Bye-bye.